set it up, and it didn't quite work in my cabinet space. Oh, we don't really have a smaller box.
Maybe buy all this
All
crap.
right, we don't have a small box.
That's okay. No worries.
Oh, we did right in here.
Yeah, I'll take it if you don't need it. I'll take it. How are you doing this morning?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good.
That is good.
I think I want to claim the 2 phones and the Sony surround sound.
Okay.
The 2 phone boxes, $1 each, and then the surround sound's $8.
Yep, that works. They were $1 each phone, but you're good.
Oh, so,
It's not a big deal.
okay.
I want
Cool.
it out of here, so
Yeah,
you got
I'll
it.
take it off your hands.
Okay.
Thanks.
You
How much
sign
is
that?
this? Yeah.
The phone?
Oh, yeah.
$1 each for the box.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, cool.
No.
We're cleaning house, huh?
Yep, 3 houses.
Oh, wow.
3 moves, 3 houses, so we pulled it all and getting rid of it.
Nice.
It's amazing when you move what you really don't need.
Yeah, the junk just accumulates.
Exactly.
Well, and some things they're nice, but you end up
just
saying,
don't need
okay,
'em.
I've had these
Yeah.
for years, I don't, you know, it's time to do something different.
Oh, this is interesting.
It does work, I just didn't replace the battery.
What's it called?
Oh, gosh, it was my niece's.
Yeah, my daughter has toys. I just like...
Yeah, I can't remember what that one was called, but the wand somehow connects to the pole in the house.
And then it kind of lights up and stuff.
I don't know if she has that one is the problem. This isn't used, this little water filter?
No.
Oh, those are always useful. I'll probably grab that for 50 cents.
I do, yep. Is it how much?
It's 10.
10? Yep.
What are these?
Oh, sorry, I thought you said you had 10 of them. Okay, sorry, I thought you were $10. I can't remember what it was. 5 for them? Okay, there you go. I just didn't remember. I thought when you said 10, you meant $10.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry.
There you go. You're welcome. Will you tape it on there? Will you write on the bottom of it and let the label?
Does this vacuum work?
It does. Absolutely. I just don't use it.
Interesting.
Oh, and it's not a vacuum, sorry.
Yeah, it's like a carpet cleaner, yeah.
Yep. Yeah, it works great. I've used it. I just find that I don't use it enough, so tired of housing it. I was in purge mode.
Hey, if I take that DVD TV combo and the vacuum, would you do 20? So $5 off?
Sure.
Okay. I'm taking big stuff for you.
Yeah, and hey, I'm on out, so yeah.
Yeah.
The goal is to not have to have another yard sale.
Here's
so.
the 20.
Okay.
Gonna look through your DVDs before I
Okay.
get out of here. Okay.
Now the Sony speakers. Okay, the equalizer
Yeah,
goes
yeah,
with
they're all together. Yeah,
it. Yeah,
What's that?
The equalizer goes with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. When she says equalizer, she's talking about what? This?
That and the thing in the box. Are
Yeah,
all together.
yeah. I'll bring this box back.
Okay. Oh, perfect. Yes. Thank you.
Yeah.
Do you want
The
a
vacuum
bigger
thing.
box to just put it all together in?
Sure, if you got one.
Yeah, we do. Mom, will you grab a after that, will you grab one of the smaller size boxes if we have one, that he can put all of it in so we can keep the wipes in? You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, this seems cool.
Yeah, so you can put all the speakers and stuff. That I never use. I set it up, and it didn't quite work in my cabinet space. Oh, we don't really have a small box.
Maybe buy all this
Alright, we
crap.
don't have a small box.
That's okay, no worries.
Oh, we did right over here.
Yeah, I'll take it if you don't need it. I'll take a big box.
Take the big box? Okay.
Because I might be about to offer you on some more stuff here.
Yeah.
Alright, $10, so a buck off if I get all these?
Sure.
Because it's at 11.
Yep, you're good. My ears are cold.
Yeah, 10.
Thank you. Yes, I do. Well, I had 10.
Sign right in front, $1 a piece or $1 a month.
Thank you.
Yep.
There's no price tag on it?
$1. Do you want a bag to put your stuff in? Yeah, do you want a bag?
Cool.
Do you want a bag? Make it easier to carry while you're shopping.
Sorry.
All the wires. Go with it. Is that it?
Yeah, I think so. I'll just pop these in here. And this thing here.
And he paid as he shopped, so he's paid me for everything he's taken.
Yeah.
That's right. I don't like cleaning them out.
Allora vediamo il siamo là. Anche il volo c'è.
Those are various bulbs. They're not 65 watts, but they're floods. They're the bigger lights.
Dropping stuff.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Nice area,
Yeah. We're moving. That's why. We're going to go to Johnson County. We're older, so we're moving to a 55 plus. Yeah. That's got your grass. Yes, it's probably 25.
You know, ranch,
We got we're selling it. Same size. About the same size. Higher.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh. We're going to put a good price on this house. You know anybody looking at a house? Very nice. It'll go on the market on Monday.
What's the market with?
But it's got then you
You do 5 for these two? You have 3 and 3 on them?
it's built in 2014.
Oh, 2040.
Those work as far as you know? Just need a charger. I've got one.
We I think when we were trying to clean everything out,
Yeah.
we threw a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, I think I have one.
They were anywhere.
Okay, thank you guys.
Prices have gone up. So like you said, probably around 2.8.
Hey everyone, thanks for coming along with me today. I hit up 2 yard sales. One was pretty fun. Actually, you know, I'm going to pull up my phone because I got a bunch of stuff at one of them and I wanted to kind of look at them and go over their values. The simple one was, I think, the second one I went to. I just got a headset, a Bluetooth headset. It was Sony. Usually Sony Bluetooth headsets do well. They look nice. I did comp those. I think I listed them for $35 or $39.99. They sell pretty often. So I'm pretty comfortable with those. And I tested them even though they were wet. That was the big thing with that sale, is that everything was soaking wet. They must have had a Friday, Saturday yard sale and they left everything out overnight and it got filled with condensation. You know, they had like a little Nook e-reader that I would have bought because the price was right. They had a couple electronics I would have bought, but I just couldn't justify it with how wet everything was. So if you do a Friday, Saturday yard sale, make sure you cover stuff or bring in the electronics. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna pull up my eBay and tell you what I went through and got at that first yard sale where I bought a ton of stuff. I bought a Sony speaker set. I found that, and I found comps going for around $80 on eBay. For all of them, or people part them out and sell them for like 20, 30 a piece. So I definitely should make some good money on that $8 buy. With that, I bought, well, let's see, let me just look at my phone here. I bought a little CD holder. I listed that for 20 bucks plus shipping based on comps. I found a hose. I listed that for 30 plus shipping based on comps. I already got a couple watchers on that. Not an air filter, a water filter for your fridge, a pure one. Listed that for 30 plus shipping. Got a few views, no watchers yet. That was just a few days ago. A little popcorn bowl I listed for 9 bucks plus shipping. A spice organizer listed for 13 bucks. And let's see, anything else from that sale? I'm just looking through my eBay here. That looks like all I listed from that sale. Oh yeah, that's right, because I got that big Bissell vacuum and that TV. I wanted to test both of them, but I was headed out of town, so I didn't get to test them yet. The TV I've sold before. It goes for around 100 bucks, 80 to 100 bucks plus shipping. So that should be easy peasy as long as it works. And then the Bissell vacuum, I see them selling on Marketplace all the time for like 50, 60. and she was not asking that much. I think I paid 20 bucks for the TV and the vacuum. The TV will pay for all of it, but the vacuum will just be some local sale gravy on the top. Editing this video now, and I just remembered I also got a couple of phone sets at this sale. I think it was $1 a box, but she wanted $1 a phone. I said $1 a box. She said fine, $1 a box, $1 per box. So those will actually add more. This was actually a really profitable sale as I look through the numbers. Right now, without those phones, I'm showing about $310 in revenue. I think I spent $40 total. And I don't even know how many phones are in those boxes. So it could be like, I think it was like 4 or 5 phones. If I can get 20 bucks a piece, that could be another $100. So this was a super successful sale.